Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you need to click on settings. So once you are here, click on see more in account center and click on this arrow icon. And from here you need to select your Facebook account for which you want to change your name. So I want to change for this one. Select that, click on name, and from here you need to change like this and click on save in the bottom. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.